In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall M files. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to close down M files. So I'm going to click on the X button here in the top right. And then from here, you want to go down to the search box in your taskbar down here, click on it, and then click on here and just basically type in Control Panel. So you want to find Control Panel, and when you find it, you want to click on it. And inside Control Panel, if you can see it like this, go to View By and select Category, and then click on Program. Inside here, go to Programs and Features, and then from here, look for M files. So I'm just gonna go and search top right. I'm gonna type in M files like this, and there we go. M files online is over here. To actually uninstall it, you want to click on it, and you want to click on uninstall. Then you want to click on the continue button if it pops up, and it's going to ask if you're sure. I'm going to click on yes, I'm sure, and it's going to start preparing to remove this. Now, usually this is going to be quite quick, but it may take like a few minutes, of course, depending on how big of an installation you got. There we go. Once the uninstall is complete, you'll just see this empty list over here because M files do not exist anymore on your computer, okay? So that's all you have to do. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.